Buying a used car can feel like a gamble. The last thing you want is to spend thousands only to end up with constant repairs and regret. But here's the thing. When mechanics, the people who see every breakdown, every failure, and every repair, choose cars for themselves, they know exactly which models are worth trusting. In today's video, we're revealing 5 cars under $12 that mechanics actually buy for their own driveways. Backed by expert reviews, reliability data, and real-world experiences, these vehicles are built to save you money, last for years, and deliver peace of mind every mile. If you've been searching for a dependable car that won't wreck your budget, these picks will show you what the pros know and why they'd trust these cars with their own money. When mechanics pick a compact car under 12 grand, the 2017 Subaru Impreza often makes the cut. Why? Because it combines Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive with a reputation for safety and durability, all at a price that won't break the bank. This generation came with a 2.0-liter flat-4 boxer engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or Subaru's Lineartronic CVT. The AWD system makes it one of the most stable and confident cars in bad weather, which is why owners in snowy states swear by it. According to Consumer Reports and IIHS safety ratings, the 2017 Impreza scored high in crash protection and overall reliability when properly maintained. Owners routinely report 200,000+ miles with basic care, regular oil changes, CVT fluid service, and brake maintenance. Now here's what mechanics warn about: the CVT transmission. While most units last if serviced on time, skipping fluid changes can shorten their life. The good news? Replacement costs in the US have been coming down, and many mechanics still consider the Impreza a safe bet when buying used, especially if you can verify service records. For under $12,000, you're getting AWD security, solid Japanese engineering, and a car that mechanics themselves would drive in harsh conditions without hesitation. When mechanics are asked which mid-size sedan they'd personally drive under 12 grand, the 2015 Toyota Camry almost always makes the list. Why? Because this generation of Camry is known for bulletproof reliability, low running costs, and a comfort level that rivals cars costing twice as much. The 2015 Camry came with 2 solid engine choices: the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, which is the most common and highly recommended for its balance of power and efficiency, and the 3.5-liter V6, a smooth, powerful option that's also surprisingly reliable when maintained properly. Both were paired with Toyota's 6-speed automatic transmission, known for durability and smooth operation. According to Consumer Reports, the 2015 Camry earned excellent reliability scores and strong owner satisfaction ratings. Many owners report crossing 250,000 miles with just routine maintenance like oil changes, brake pads, and filters. Mechanics love it because parts are widely available, affordable, and the engines are straightforward to work on. If there's one thing to check, it's the suspension bushings and struts, which may need replacement after high mileage. But compared to most sedans in this price range, the Camry is still one of the safest bets on the road. For under $12,000, the 2015 Toyota Camry gives you peace of mind, comfort, and the kind of reliability that even mechanics trust when it's their own money on the line. When mechanics are asked which mid-size sedan under 12 grand they'd park in their own driveway, the 2015 Honda Accord is a clear favorite. It's not only reliable, but also offers sharp handling, strong resale value, and one of the most comfortable cabins in its class. The 2015 Accord offered 2 main engine choices: the 2.4-liter 4-cylinder with Honda's famous iVTEC system, paired with either a 6-speed manual or CVT automatic, and the more powerful 3.5-liter V6 paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic. Mechanics often lean toward the 2.4 iVTEC with the 6-speed, as it's nearly bulletproof and capable of lasting well beyond 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. According to Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, the 2015 Accord earned top marks in reliability and owner satisfaction. Owners praise its comfort and fuel economy, while mechanics appreciate how accessible its parts are and how straightforward it is to service. One area to watch is the CVT transmission on four-cylinder models. When properly maintained, it can last, but mechanics still recommend checking service history carefully. Aside from that, the Accord is a rock-solid sedan that blends longevity with driving enjoyment. For under $12,000, the 2015 Honda Accord is exactly the kind of car mechanics trust for themselves: reliable, efficient, and built to go the distance. If mechanics want comfort, reliability, and a touch of luxury without paying luxury car prices, the 2014 Toyota Avalon is often their pick. It's basically a premium version of the Camry, built on the same rock-solid platform but with more features, more refinement, and more power. Under the hood, the 2014 Avalon comes with Toyota's trusted 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup is famous for being smooth, powerful, and extremely reliable. With proper care, many Avalons surpass 300,000 miles, which is why mechanics appreciate it when they find one well-maintained. According to Consumer Reports, the Avalon 2014 scored among the highest in reliability for full-size sedans, and owners love the quiet ride, spacious interior, and long-term dependability. Mechanics also point out that despite being considered luxury, parts are still reasonably priced and widely available since it shares components with the Camry and Lexus ES. The only common issues are worn suspension components after high mileage and, in some cases, minor electronic quirks. But compared to other full-size sedans, the Avalon is a tank built to last. For under $12,000, the 2014 Toyota Avalon gives you Lexus-like comfort with Toyota's bulletproof reliability, making it a smart choice even for mechanics who know all the pitfalls of the used car market. If you're enjoying this list, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends, especially the ones who are car shopping right now. And tell us in the comments, what's the most reliable car you've ever owned? Mechanics have their picks. Now we want to hear yours. When mechanics want a full-size sedan that blends comfort, luxury, and surprising reliability, the 2016 Buick Lacrosse is often on their shortlist. It may not get as much hype as Toyota or Honda, but those in the know understand that the Lacrosse offers premium features for a fraction of the cost. The 2016 Lacrosse came with two main engines, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder with e-assist mild hybrid system, and the more desirable 3.6-liter V6, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Mechanics often recommend the V6, as it provides smooth power delivery, solid reliability, and fewer long-term headaches than the four-cylinder hybrid system. Owners report excellent comfort thanks to Buick's quiet-tuned cabin, spacious seating, and advanced tech features for its time, like available heated and ventilated seats. According to J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, the Lacrosse scored well for dependability, especially in the later model years like 2016. What to watch out for? Some electrical issues in infotainment systems and occasional transmission wear on high-mileage examples. But compared to luxury imports, parts are cheaper and maintenance is simpler, which is exactly why mechanics consider it a smart under $12K buy. For under $12,000, the 2016 Buick Lacrosse gives you executive-level comfort and American reliability, the kind of sleeper car that mechanics know is worth the money. At the end of the day, buying a used car doesn't have to be a gamble. When you follow the choices that mechanics themselves trust, you're not just saving money, you're investing in peace of mind, reliability, and years of driving without regret. So if you're shopping under 12 grand, keep these lessons in mind. Choose smart, buy what lasts, and drive with confidence.